have something called enter data. This is again a bit important one. So whenever you wanted to push some data directly onto your Power Query editor. Okay. So you don't want to pull it from anywhere. You don't want to connect to any data source or any file, right? Anything. You wanted to paste the data direct. So what I mean is, let's say you have something called this data transpose example. So the same data, right? You can copy this data. I can directly paste this entire data here using this enter data. You can simply can click on OK, and then the data is available on my Power Query editor. So that means we are not connected here. We are not connected anywhere to not even Excel or any. So data is generated within the Power Query editor. Okay. So Power Query editor is not only as a connector or as a ETL, but it can generate, it's indirectly we are pasting the data from elsewhere and making it itself as a data source, right? It's not coming from anywhere. So this Power Query editor itself is a data source. And if I'm building something on top of this data, right? If I'm sharing that report with you, it means you need not connect anywhere, right? You need not point it to anywhere because I pasted the data within the Power Query. And if you closely look at the M code, so I'll give you some insights more. You can select this advanced editor and see what is the M code or what is the M script behind the scenes. It has generated some JSON document, some internal function, internal code, and it is fetching the data within here. That means whatever values you have given, it is all fetching the data from here. So that means whatever file I built on top of this kind of data set and share with anyone, they won't even have to repoint to or look for any data source because data source is within the Power Query editor.